Hey there YouTube, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here. You probably know what this video is from the title up there. I've got no clue, because if we just shift this camera, zoom, zoom, you see all of, where is it? You see all of that. That's all the things we've got to unbox. I'm not quite certain what's what. Yeah, let's go for it. SJ, yeah. Let's move that camera back there. Can you pass me a box, please? You can do this one-handed, girl.
Top one?
Top one. Let's see what it is. I can tell already, everyone. All right, it's a white box. That means it's come, I think, from Flat Spot. Yep, it's definitely come from Flat Spot. So the first thing we're going to say is, when was this sent? So this is one that I had accidentally sent to my home address, and then we resent it to my work address. I can't see a date. Right, well, we'll go for it. So, as I said, Flat Spot. Let's get this out of here. And if you're new around here and you don't know what we do, we tend to do sneaker unboxings occasionally, very occasionally, although we probably haven't done one for about 6 months. We do these cinematic on foot things, which some people like. I love doing. They just take a long time to edit. We also stream every Sunday, Sneaker Streaming Sundays, about 8 PM UK time, that is. Right, okay, so what have we got here? Ha ha ha! I know what these are now, everyone. These are going to be the Oski Dunks, and they were from the 12th of the 12th, 2019, but let's have a look at this. So let's get rid of that. As you can see, we don't do these very often. Okay, so first of all, look at that. All right, have a look at that. We've got the orange label. They are, now I hover size-wise on a Dunk High between a US 11.5 and a US 12. I went with the US 12 on these just because I was a bit worried about the top bit of my foot looking weird. But we've got here a Nike SB Dunk High Pro ISO. They're a black sail, UK 11, that's a US 12. The code is CI2692001, and they've got that kind of weird QR code thing, which somehow Nike are claiming is RFID. I don't know how that works. Very, very excited about these. I've seen so many pictures of them, and clearly we're late as always. But first of all, SJ, we've got orange paper in the top there, followed by another layer of paper. Right, that's it. That's the end of the unboxing. No, it's not really. Right, get your eyes looking at that bad boy. Oh my word, these are really, already I can see. I'm gonna put the box away, everyone. Rustly, rustly, rustly. Oh my word. First things first, alternate laces are just white. And they look like the standard SB sort of laces. We're gonna have a look here. The feel of them. The feel is really nice. It's that, I don't know what type of suede you call this, or leather. It's like that untreated leather. You know the leather that's on your, the deconstructed blazers? The white leather, or, you know, was it nubuck or something? It feels like that. So SJ, first things first. Oh my word. As always with the Dunk High, they're laced within an inch of their life. Get a look at that. That knot, amazing. I don't know if I do this, I don't know if you can see up here on this high bit. Nice thick padding as well, I'll say, around there. Can you see the nap of that? That's how nice that is. Oh, that's such a good swoosh. Loving the fact that Nike being brave with these Oskis. And actually, while we're looking, so I picked up a jacket from Atlas, which I didn't bring down, but we were queuing for the Blazers in San Mateo. And I actually got the zine, so have a look at that. I got that. This is pretty epic. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Yeah, maybe it's better on that camera. I don't know, like, it's like, oh, look, like there. All right, take a look at that. So I got this, the Oski Rosenberg's zine that went with these. I've got 2 copies of this, so I'm going to keep that with the shoes. Right, you, camera 2. I think we can give you, hopefully you're doing a bit of focus. Oh, you are, look at that. Just have a look. Oh, it's such a great shoe. It's a classic profile, it's a Dunk High. Right, I want to have a look inside because I think the shark pattern is kind of repeating in one of those magic eye style things from the 90s. If you remember what those are. My eyes could See, now I see it. I'm going to have to undo this. Apologies for all of you dead stock lace crew. I'm going to go in here, just checking on the aglets. I think that's... Did I get that right, SJ?
I don't.
Everyone's going to tell me. Everyone knows I'm such an idiot when it comes to the aglets. We are going to go in here. I just want to check in the other one. Okay, so the inner sole looks the same. So I am going to attempt to come to you, camera 2. I am. Now, have a look in there. Can you see that, camera 2? I think you can. SJ, I'm going to come over to you because the shark pattern is on the inside. It's got Oski as well as Nike SB. I don't know whether you're going to get this. You know how I'm always going to just do that this way to you, kind of. It's really nice. Also, another nice little touch. If we come to you, SJ, they're a really great dunk. Clearly with these, the shark is like the key feature, but I think I just want to call that just the quality of this. Oh, it's so nice. And obviously nice thick padding on these. I'm really glad I went for the 12. These are going to look so good on. I will keep the black laces. I'm not going to feel like, have a look at that. I'm not really feeling the black and the white. I don't think it works. What would work, and I have seen on Instagram, is I've seen people swap these out with kind of a bloody white and red lace. I think Black Sheep in the US, for the Wolves and Sheep clothings, they produce these laces. They'll work really well in here, I think, with the white and that red and that sort of bloodied look. Jay, what do you think?
Nice.
Boom. They are nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're a solid dunk.
Yeah.
So nice as well that they're orange label, so the prices are reasonable. And in theory, skate shops only. In theory. I didn't see these in the sneakers app. Did you see them?
No.
No, I didn't think so. Really, really, such a great shoe. I'm really excited about wearing these. Why is it the weather is so rubbish? It's like, I really want to wear them, but I don't want to like beat these up too much. I think these will take a spray, won't they, from Crep Protect or something. I think I think they deserve it. Oh, I just love the shape of a dunk high. I'm really, really into the dunk high shape. There's something different about them. I can't put my finger on it. I wish I had some other dunk highs down here that I could compare, because I don't know, they feel extra chunky. Do they look extra chunky to you?
I think it's because they're all black and there looks like there's the padding around the ankle looks extra thick in the black for some reason. I think that's what it is.
I think you're right, SJ. I love this. So would you, that's right, the sail. I'm just going to check that. I'm going to triple check that, everyone. Yeah, sail. That's what it is. I think as well, why I'm really liking this, it's this slightly, I hate to use the word, everyone knows I hate using it, the off-white here. So the off-white there, this sail on the midsole is really working. It's really, really working well. I've got to come and show you this again. Look at the nap. Can you see that? You're going to have to see this as well. Look at it, look at it, it's so good. Right, have another look at the shark. It's so good. It's such a good shoe. So, everyone, if you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe. It's somewhere down there. Don't forget to hit a like if you like this video. Don't forget to hit a dislike if you dislike this video. I learned that trick from somebody. And if you want to find us on Instagram, we are Pint of Stuff. Don't forget to hashtag your pictures, Pint of Stuff, because we put them in our Sneaker Streaming Sundays, which happens on YouTube, streaming every Sunday at about 8 PM UK time, which on the West Coast, I forgot where that was then. On the West Coast, that's about 12 PM. And then it is 3 PM on the East Coast. If you're in Tokyo, it's probably 5 AM in the morning. Sydney, 7 AM on a Monday morning. So please, well, you're welcome to join us. But yeah, it's just super early, super early. So yeah, that's all there is for me to go on about these now. These are an epic dunk. If you like them, don't forget to leave us a comment. Did you pick these up? And I suppose really, we'll see you in the next video. So I'll see you later. Bye. Surprised. I'm really surprised by these. Like, I knew they were nice. These are nicer than I was expecting. Oh, the shark. Oh, it's like a leather and stitched. Have a look. It's leather and stitched. See? You see this? I think that's leather. And then you've got stitching. Such a great shoe. Yeah. Anyway, we are out of here now. See you.